Hello everyone. This is a demo for using this website called Census of India. This video provides you to use the salient features of this website. So to begin with, this website is very interactive. You can hover over the map, the corresponding state color changes, so you can see the area, and the corresponding tooltip shows the state's name. On the right hand side, you can see that there is a summary table which shows the summarized data for all the categories used in this population in the census. The different categories such as population size, for population size for 0 to 6 years, for rural, urban, then literacy rate, sex ratio, and then sex ratio for 0 to 6 years. Now by default it shows data for India. When you select any particular state, the corresponding summary table changes. Also, when you go below, you can see that there are various graphs. These graphs also depict the same data but in a more informative manner. So let's talk more about these graphs and how you can use them. So whenever you clicked on a state, the corresponding graphs appeared. Now this graph, say for example population size, it shows this for Madhya Pradesh. The reason for having this subtitle here is that when you're not able to see which state was selected above, you can see it on the chart that you selected Madhya Pradesh. Now, as you can see, there are three different colors in each category. The colors have been chosen to serve or cater to an Indian audience. These tricolors have been selected very carefully. Now you can see that if you hover over the columns, it shows the corresponding values. See here, it shows the value for 2001. The value is 603 millions. When you come to 2001, it shows this value. These charts also provide you the feature of comparing only desired categories. Say you want to see only the comparison for males and females. So in that case, you can deselect total just by clicking on that. So you see only males and females category are shown here. When you deselect males, just females are. Also, as you might have observed, the corresponding scales have changed to adjust to that particular category. When you include males again, the scale changed, and the same thing happened when you selected total. So this could be done for all the charts, the selecting and deselecting of categories. When you come down, the main reason for including these categories is because they provide you a lot of information. Like for example, literacy rate. It tells you a lot about the nation and where it's progressing, in which direction it's going. Now you can see, like, one thing of concern which we observed is that the sex ratio for 0 to 6 years is decreasing. The reason could be female ferticide or any other reason, but it is an issue of concern. So you can see that our charts provide very informative information. Next thing you can observe on our website is downloadable data. When you click on this link, you are given an XML data. This is for other users to use. They can include this data in their website or for any other purpose. Another main feature of our website is the comparison feature. It allows you to compare different states with each other. Now how you can do it? As you can see here, it provides a note. You can compare different states just by clicking them. Now for usability purpose, the number is restricted to 5 so that the area does not become cluttered. When you select a state, the state's data and graphs are populated in the corresponding area. If you go on selecting the next state, another state appears. As you can see, there are two states now. can select the third one, you can select the fourth one, and then you can select the fifth one. Now when you select more than 5 states, the state you selected first is popped out and the new state is popped in. Now you can see below the data for all the three different categories and how the different states compare with each other and how they did in 2001 and in 2011. Now another important thing in this comparison is, if you have already selected a state and you click over it again, the event is handled and it says Maharashtra is already present in the compare chart. So this is just to avoid comparing the same state again and again. Now when you click on a new state, the previous state is popped out and you still have only 5 states. Also, once you have the 5 states in this, you can choose to compare only 3 of them, 2 of them, or whatever number you want to. So that's it. You can go and use our website now. Thanks a lot. This is the link. As you can see here, you can go and check out the website yourself. Thanks for watching the video.